So in this video, we are going to discuss about whether the system is static or dynamic. How to find whether the system is static or dynamic. So the what a static or numerical system is, it depends only on the present input or present values. Whereas dynamic or memory system, it depends on the past and future. Basically, past, present, and also future events, right? So since as a person, so what it we refer to memory. So memory means we have to um, generally remember the past also, no? So memory system means it depends on the past and future values. So let us consider y of t is equal to x square of t. Let's my first problem. So if I substitute t is equal to 0, I'll get y of 0 is equal to x square of 0. If I substitute t is equal to 1, I'll get y of 1 is equal to x square of 1. So if you refer for percent value, it is showing a percent input, it is going to percent out. So for this one, you doesn't require any memory. So therefore, it is a static system. Next, for y of n is equal to x of n minus 1. So here you can see there's a shifting process has done. So when n is equal to 0, y of 0 is equal to x of minus 1. So if your present value is minus 0, it is going to the past value. So it is a dynamic system. Third problem, y of t is equal to d of xt divided by dt. So this will comes under the dynamic system. So for y of t is equal to summation 0 to infinity, or from minus infinity to infinity x of t dt. That is also comes under the dynamic system or memory system, because it is nothing but, so you can take it as y x square of t divided by d2 also. So here it is x of 0 plus x of 1 up to x of infinity, right? So this is definitely a memory system. Next, problem y of n is equal to x into 2 of n. So if I substitute n is equal to 0, it goes to y of 0 is equal to x of 0. If n is equal to 1, y of 1 is equal to x of 2. So you can see for the present input, it is going to the future value. So therefore, it is a dynamic system. Sixth problem, y of n is equal to x of n, u of n. When I substitute n is equal to 0, it, y of 0 is equal to x of 0, u of 0. If I substitute n is equal to 1, y of 1 is equal to x of 1, u of 1. If I substitute n is equal to minus 1, y of minus 1 is equal to x of minus 1, u of minus 1. So therefore, it is a memoryless system, right? Since the percent input depends on the present value here, present out. Suppose the seventh problem, h of n is equal to e power minus 4 modulus of t. So if t is equal to minus, if t is positive, you will get e power minus 4t. So that is exponentially decreasing function. So if substitute t is equal to minus t, from minus t to 0, it is equal to e power 4t. So it is a exponentially increasing function. So Suppose the condition h of t is equal to 0 for t not equal to 0, then the system is called as a static or nominal system. So this is the condition. You can see for t is equal to 1, 2 and minus 1 and all, we have some values. Therefore, it is a dynamic system, right? Dynamic system means it is a nominal system. Last eighth problem, h of n is equal to del of n. So here the del of n value is equal to 1 for n is equal to 0 and 0 for n not equal to 0. So here the h of n is 0 for n not equal to 0, right? Therefore, it is a static system. That is a memoryless system. Next, ninth problem, y of t is equal to a t square x of t. If I substitute t is equal to 0, y of 0 is equal to a 0 square x of 0. If I substitute t is equal to 1, y of 1 is equal to a x of 1. T is equal to minus 1. Y of minus 1 equal to a x of minus 1. So it is a nominal system or static system. The next problem, y of n is equal to modulus of x of n. So here also, if I substitute n is equal to 0, y of 0 is equal to x of 0. If I substitute n is equal to 1, y of 1 is equal to x of 1. So here the amplitude may change, but whatever the value inside this one will not change, right? So whether if you give y is equal n is equal to minus 1, it will you will get only modulus of x of minus 1 only. Okay, so it is a static system which doesn't require any memory. In the same way, if I take y of n is equal to, this is another problem, a of n x of n. So here also you see, if I substitute n is equal to 0, y of 0 is equal to a power 0 into x of 0. Y is n is equal to 1, y of 1 is equal to a into x of 1, n is equal to minus 1, y of minus 1 is equal to a power minus 1 x of minus 1. So you have to look only these two terms. So here it is, if it is percent, this is also percents. So it doesn't require any memory, right? So it is a memory less system, which is also called as static system.